Hey everyone, it's Reed. Remember those little tiny beans I put into the tops of cans and some other stuff? Well, here they are. They've gotten bigger. And I kind of forgot about them, and they were just sitting on the grow lights, and yeah, they grew. It's time to get them outside and stuff. Now, I'm putting up here by my currant here. This little plant that's slowly going, we got rescued away. And we're going to put a bunch of beans up here because the soil needs improvement. And so it's a great place to put these beans. Now, beans do not like getting transplanted very well. They're not totally happy on that. So, what do? Let me show you. Give me a second. Okay, so what I've done here, everyone, is I've cut 4 things all the way around this one. And this one's a little leggy, so we're going to plant it a little deep. And there we go. And with luck, the thing will live. But we're going to put a bunch of bean seed down here anyways. And get all those planted as well. So this is going to be an area of red beans helping out my currant. So there you go. Gardening on the recycled side. Stuff. And yep, going to have bean plants in my front yard because, well, I'm kind of concerned about all the food, and you'll see more videos about what I'm concerned about coming up very soon. But hopefully this is a tiny bit interesting to you. Take care, everyone. Reed out for now.